Hey guys, welcome to j&jautowrecking's test video for L5CE239. This is our 2005 Express 2500 van. Don't mind us, we got an SRT8 coming out on the forks. This unit comes to us with, hold on here, 167,000 miles. This has got a 6-liter and a 4L80E. We've already sold the transmission, so it's just going to be a 6-liter drop. As you guys can hear, probably got a broken manifold bolt. We are in Northeast Ohio and I hear it ticking, so we are upfront and honest. Plan on buying yourself a dormant manifold bolt kit. Obviously, the front end of this van took itself a nice little whap. Doesn't take much to total one of these. Little rusty down here, but we've got some good parts on her. The interior's in decent shape. We got a nice set of door panels. Some miscellaneous dash pieces. This is a work van. You guys got a work van, need some parts, we got you covered. Moving along here. Literally nothing to see here. Nothingness. Keep moving around to the back. Taillight's got a little bit of moisture in it. I don't think that's going to be for sale. Nice set of glass. These are the base, non-heated, clear, non-pop out. Literally just a straight up work van. Some steel wheels. This is going to be a 14-bolt rear end. I'm not sure of the ratio, but we will have that noted in the listing. Disc brake setup. I know it's a popular swap for a couple of the older trucks. Let's step inside here. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Let's go ahead and test out the climate control. Get it off heat. Alright, that's working. Test out the radio. I think we might just give this radio away. If you guys really need this, send me a message, john@jandjautowrecking.com. I will give you this base radio. There we go, FM2.
Kids in your Belden Village, and we are back to normal business hours.
She works. Nice set of bags in this. It did not blow the bags. Let's give her a little rev. Yeah, she's got a little tick, guys. I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's just going to be a 6-liter that needs manifolds. Column's in good condition. Is it a tilt? Fixed column. Nice fixed column. I'm not going to test the transmission because, like I said, that thing is already sold. Driver's door mirror. Same deal, guys. You need that door mirror, send me an email. It's all yours. Guys, that's going to wrap it up for L5CE239. This was our 2005 Express 2500. You can find all of the lovely parts off this unit on our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com. Go ahead and give us a like and follow on social media at j&jautowrecking. If you guys are already watching this video, you've already found my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. It helps us more than you know. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.